GST collections for the month of July 2026 has increased by 15%. It has reached to 2.11 lakh crores during the month July 2026. This GST collection improvement, the steady growth in GST collections each month on domestic consumption indicates that overall domestic consumption is becoming largely insulated from seasonal variations and external headwinds. What is the major reason behind this increased GST collection during the month July 2026? It is due to sharp jump in import mop-up amid weaker rupee fueled growth of our fueled growth. It means during the month of July, the GST collections increased because of higher imports, which increased to 66,511 crore, which has increased by 28%. And this is also, the value is increased because of the rupee value is decreased against the US dollar. So, the GST, the sharp rise in import GST to a combination of higher merchandise imports, depreciation of the rupee that inflated the taxable value of imported and feed costs amid continuing goods and elevated global energy tensions in West Asia. GST mop-up from three manufacturing states including Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka and Telangana also increased. The net GST collections during the month of July 2026 has increased to 1.81 lakh crores. That means after refunds, that is increase of more than 15% of the previous month. Much of the GST collection improvement is driven by imports through its, whether it are finished goods or raw materials, and how much of it simply reflects a weaker rupee rather than high volumes is the major reason for improvement in GST collections. That means during the month of July 26, the gross GST collections were 2.11 lakh crores, out of which now after net collections increased to 1.81 lakh crores after refunds. All this is the increase in GST collections is due to the higher imports and reduced deflated Indian rupee value against foreign exchange that is US dollar. All this is due to GST collection, increase in GST collection during the month of July is due to higher imports and deflated Indian rupee value against the US dollar.